This is a 1969 Shelby. We're putting it all back together. The owner did not want it over restored. He wanted to keep it as original as possible. That's what we're trying to do. The motor's been redone. The train's been done, rear end, we've done all that over. We do it all in-house. We do everything in-house. As you can see, it's a barn find, so we had to do little touch-ups on the paint on it. You can see underneath. I'm trying to bring it as original as we possibly can. Wherever it doesn't need to be painted, we're not painting it. Even though the value of the car, the owner would like to leave it the way it is, which we can understand. And he'll be driving it. So this is his car, his choice. Personally, myself, I agree with him. Buying a car you can't drive because it's brought back to mint shape, or actually better than when it originally was made. And believe me, when we took this thing apart, how hacked up it was from Shelby, right? It kind of made me laugh. You can see the inner trunk is the original. We didn't paint it over. The same as the backsplash, the side panels. We left the original liner in, right? All the seats are original. As you can see when he did it, they just chopped, chop, 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 chop. Didn't care, make it quick, make it fast, and make some money. Once it's down, you get a better picture of it. Down here, pardon me for a second. These are the seats, panels, all the other stuff we did. Taking it apart, we'll clean it all up really nice, give it some treatments, but leave it as original as possible. And if you don't believe it's a Shelby, there you go. Missing a lip. But that's what happens when it sits around in a barn. People take things. And in here, pardon me again, I'll show you. There's your dash, mirrors, things we had to do in here. Anyways, that's what we've done. And we have the original Shelby rims here somewhere, but you've seen them, I'm sure, many times. Anyways, this is Tom from Story Garage. I want to thank you. And if you want to see more of the Shelby being built, let us know, and we'll do some more videos of it. Thank you, and goodbye.